All right, so let's work on this one. Now I chose this one because she has hair all over her face. You can see the hair. So you remember there are so many techniques I told you about. You can just use the patch tool directly. Yeah, the patch tool directly. Let's duplicate the layer, and then you go ahead and just drag like this and shift it, and it's gone. But that's not what I want to do here. What I want to do here is I want to show you the step we just used just now to remove hair strand on the face and the rest. So Ctrl J, I've duplicated it, name this one what color. The hair strand is part of the texture, okay? So that's why we're using this method, texture, and most other plugins use this method. So turn it off, select the color layer, go to filter, blur. Now let me show you how to get the blur value. For you to get the right blur value, I'm going to take the radius to 0. I'm going to look for a place that I need a smooth transition on, like the jaw here. So I'm going to zoom in. Okay, so something like that, and increase, start increasing till I see a smooth transition. I can see a smooth transition here now, so I can take it somewhere 3 should be fine, and it's okay. I'm going to turn on the texture layer while selecting it, and then go to image, apply image, and I'm going to choose under the layer, going to choose color, under the blending mode choose subtract. So we are going to have something like this. Once you start seeing colors, know that your blur value is too much, but I like it because I can see the texture of the hair. So once I can see the texture of the hair, I can work on the texture. So I'm gonna hit OK, change the blending mode to linear light, and select the tool layer, group it. So these are frequency separation, it's okay, turn it on, open it up, select the texture layer, select the clone stamp tool. That's the two things you're going to use. Now let's remove this hair strand on a mouth. So I'm going to select a place that is likely like that. I'm going to select somewhere here and drag like that down. Select somewhere here, click somewhere from the lips and drag, following the mouse down. Let's go back. So I'm just dragging and following where the mouse is going. Yeah, drag, yeah, drag, yeah, drag. Let's go up right here, select somewhere here, drag. You can see that if you follow the wrong direction, it's going to keep repeating where the hair is. I'm going to follow somewhere here, and then I'm going to drag backwards like that. Yeah, drag backwards. So I'm going to remove this one, and then let's remove the pimples. We have this, remove this one, remove this,